Texas weather. So it's me. I'm in a suburb of Dallas, hanging with family, and came here to talk airplanes with some other people. But part of the reason I came here is for the eclipse, and it has started. Let me turn this phone around. I've got a sun blocker lens on my camera. Let me turn this around. Let's see what we can see. Ah, there it is. So we're getting a partial. It's probably going to go on for 45 minutes or so. And hopefully it'll get absolutely black, and that'll be really cool. So I'll check back in with you in a few minutes. So there's the full thing right there. Look at that. I'm not very good at holding steady, but that's beautiful. Absolutely incredible. The lights have all gone down. The street lights have the street lights have come on. Oh, there's the diamond. If I can see it.
There it is. Look at that.
And not very often you get to see that, eh, folks? There we go. It's too bad the clouds were there, but that's pretty cool. I better cover this up now. Okay, that was really cool. Quite enjoyed that. So it's supposed to storm this afternoon, maybe have baseball-sized hail. And there's a cardinal over here somewhere, just screaming. tree over there. Very pretty, very pretty. Anyway, if there's a big hail tonight, I'll probably show you that in my video. Anyway, have a great day. I got a special invitation to visit another A-26. This one's at the closed Cavanaugh Air Museum, and they're trying to get their A-26 back into service. Hold on. So here's an A-26C called Hard to Get. The museum lost its lease on this property, so they're having to move all of their aircraft, and this is one of them. And they had some structural repairs they had to do, but for the most part, this aircraft is complete. It's got some mods similar to ours. The bomb bays have been all closed up and riveted closed. It still has access door on the other side, and it's got guns top and bottom. It also has an intact greenhouse, and it has the gunner's periscope for the top and for the bottom. They did have a rotten fuel cell that they're going to have to replace, but they're getting really close to having that done. They just got to get one. Patrick, who's working on Special K, doing some fabrication on it, is in charge of getting this aircraft back in the air. He did find some problems in the tail that he's now taken care of, and all of the back end is all rigged and ready to go. So it's going to be exciting to see another A-26 back in the air. There can't be enough A-26s around. And this is how their panel is laid out. And they have Douglas yoke caps. Oh, that's kind of cool. They got a window to the world right there. And their hand pump is right there where it used to be.
Yeah, so originally this had the pass-through on the right, and then they
Yeah.
it, so.
Yeah, we can't get through either. Does this have
We got
brakes?
Yep.
Oh, you got brakes on the right side. We just have rudders. Oh, cool. Anyway, keep hoping that we'll have a bunch of A-26s in the air before too long. Thanks for watching.